So I'm here to talk to you about Azur Drone and mostly about our autonomous surveillance drone, which is called Skeyetech. So the Skeyetech solution is totally autonomous. We chose to enter the security market because, as you can imagine, the drone market is highly competitive, and we wanted to penetrate a market where Chinese products, of course, can't really be used for security reason of the data. So it's a totally French solution from hardware to software. And the aim is we guarantee our clients that there is no backdoor. So the Skeyetech solution, just imagine an industrial site such as a nuclear plant. So you've got 10 kilometers around the nuclear plant of fences. So we are totally connected to the security video management software system. So if an alert is triggered, for instance, a motion detector, the drone will automatically take off and will be checking the intruder and tracking it until maybe security forces can intervene on site. We've got many other solutions at Azur Drones because the ambition of the company is to address most of the use case of security and defense. So on the screen, you can see our tethered solution. So tethered solutions are mostly used by security forces such as police, for instance, to watch, to do some surveillance of riots or demonstrations, things like that. We've got another solution, which is our fixed wing long-range UAV. So this solution is mostly where we target military. It's for military use. This long-range UAV can fly up to 10 hours with an optronic payload really sophisticated and up to the military standards. Azur Drone is a 55% company. Half of them are engineers. The other halves, of course, are mostly sales and of course, production. We've got the chance, we've got the luck. We are lucky to have an investors which funded the company with 10 million. And really soon 3 more million to boost, to accelerate our development. Most of our activities are now abroad, not only in France. As you can imagine, the potential for security market and defense is in Africa, Middle East, and maybe South America, Asia. So we are really focused on internationalization. Thank you very much.